Hi guys, it's Norman. It's the 19th of October 2025 today, and I've just finished installing my beautiful fan heater here. It's from VEVOR. The unit is extremely sturdy. It's well made. The face is simple. You can operate it from up here, or it comes with a remote. It had no batteries though. You have to supply your own batteries, but it's very simple to use. The unit is a little noisy, but let me tell you that my shed is 12 by 20, and it heats this up in like 5 minutes. So I don't know how much electricity is going to save me compared to that little one back there. A little greenhouse one I had. It did me good for years, but it's well time that I upgrade. You'll need an 8-2 wire. They didn't have any, so I bought the 8-3. I cut the white wire off at each end of the casing. So I'm only using the red, black, and the ground. The ground goes to the box. Line 2 is the black. Line 1 is the red. So you come down to your panel, make sure you leave enough wire in there. I put a 40 amp breaker, and I took the red and the black and hooked it up to this double breaker here, a 40 amp double. So easily installed. Like I say, the installation is so well explained. You can't go wrong. It's just in the panel here how to hook your wires up. Again, it's simple. It looks hard, but it's simple. Turn the power off, guys. Be very, very careful when you do this. So, but I wish it would start to show you guys what it sounds like. Let's see what happens.